Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts and creating the calendar export. Sign into Outlook and Google, then in Outlook go to Calendar, choose File and export to an IX file. Pick the date range you need and export full details so events, times, and attendees transfer. Once done, open Google Calendar in your browser and get ready to import. Make sure you know which Google Calendar will receive the events. This prevents duplication and keeps your schedules organized before the import step. Now import the IX file into Google Calendar. In Google Calendar Open Settings, go to Import and Export, select Import, then choose the IX you exported from Outlook and select the target calendar. Upload the file and watch for the confirmation message indicating how many events were added. Make sure you check key events for correct times and time zones immediately after import, since time zone mismatches are the most common issue. If something looks off, don't panic. You can adjust or re-export with corrected settings. Finish by deciding if you need a one-time import or ongoing sync. One-time imports are done. For continuous two-way sync, use Microsoft 365 integration or a trusted third-party sync tool, because Google and Outlook don't offer seamless native two-way sync for all accounts. If events are missing, check the original export range, time zone settings, and calendar permissions. A key troubleshooting tip: if times are shifted, confirm both calendars, use the same time zone, and re-import after correcting it to prevent persistent offsets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.